Hi everyone, I'm Ridwan, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do data modeling using the star schema. So first thing first, we have the sample superstore dataset in the Power BI already. So we go to the Power Query editor and do some transformation to get our model. So click here and go to transform data. So in the Power Query editor, first thing we want to do now is to rename the data set and the table and make it, call it the superstore fact, enter. Then we want to now duplicate this table by right clicking on this and click on duplicate. Then we'll now rename it by right clicking on the new table and rename. We want to create the shipping mode table. Click enter, and here we just want to have the shipping modes alone. So we click on the shipping mode, we right click and remove other columns. So we remove other columns and then we remove duplicate so that we have just each of the we have just one representation of each of the shipping mode. Then we then continue to duplicate this table again by right clicking and clicking duplicate, and we rename it. This time we'll call it product. And in this table, we just want to have the category, the product category, the product ID, the product category, the product ID, the subcategory, and the product name. So by holding down the control button and clicking on each of the columns, we can select them. Then we right click and remove other columns. Then by this we can have the required columns, and we can remove duplicate on the product ID so that we be sure that everything we have here is just one of the. So we then go to the fact table and remove these columns, and we then leave the product ID alone left. So we go there and we remove the product the product category and subcategory and product name. So remove these columns by right clicking and remove these columns. So we can now close and apply, and so if we come to the data model view, then we can see that Power BI has automatically created for us the models, and it's having a one-to-many relationship. So that's the easiest way to create a model using using star schema. Thank you.